Welcome back. At the very bottom of the content that is generated, we do have one rewriting tool in Perplexity. We can click on this button and we can rewrite the entire document. Perplexity will then ask you which model you want to use. In one case, it has a GPT-4 model, which is fundamental to ChatGPT, and then Sonar, which is the Perplexity model. We're going to click on Sonar, and we're going to allow Perplexity to regenerate and rewrite the document. Now, if you don't like that draft, you can go back and rewrite it again. One thing that you'll also see here at the bottom is that Perplexity will give you related questions and topics. You can take any one of those related questions or topics, and you can ask Perplexity to expand on an answer with that specific topic. In some cases, this may be an element that you can add to your content as directed or given to you by Perplexity if it is relevant. And then that answer, once generated, can be rewritten, and it can be written with a specific model. Okay, so for that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.